Good morning. We're going to start with a poem called All the Places We Will Go. Congratulations to the class of 2024. We are moving on up to high school. This is a milestone that marks the completion of an important chapter in our lives. It's the end of the school year, and we can't believe that it's here. Thank you so much for helping us grow by showing us all the places we will go.
You guys have been great teachers, that is quite true. So now we have a simple favor we ask of you. We want to make a tradition with the Dr. Seuss book. You'll enjoy all that you see as you sit and look. We want to see and hear a little encouragement from you. So some of our teachers have recorded a special note to me and you.
They've added a short video note because they chose to, of their many memories and encouragement they don't want us to lose. So sit back in your seats and let's see what our teachers have to say to send us on our way. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for doing your parts and teaching us with all your hearts.